Hello and welcome to another video, another day, another video. Hope you have got some information from the last video. So let's begin our new video. But before we proceed, here's a quick disclaimer that I'm not a SEBI registered analyst. I don't own any Telegram or WhatsApp group. There is no paid something channel. We do not provide tips for calls. And yeah, so before you invest in the market, please consult with your financial advisor. As you know, market is risky. So let's begin our new video. So as we discussed yesterday, we have drawn two important levels. One is this and another one is this. So what has happened? The market was respecting this level from last 2-3 days. I think last 2 days. Let me check. Yes, from last 3 days actually. 1, 2, 3. So 3 times the market tested this level and finally it gave a breakdown. So as I told you, unless and until this level is not broken, we will not enter in puts, because this could be the potential stop loss area of the people who bought the market or continuously buying the market from this zone. So what has happened? We saw a gap down gap down opening today, and then the market closed below this range and eventually it broke in the stop loss area. So what I told you yesterday, when the market breaks the important zone, we will not enter there. When will we enter? When the market approaches the same level and we get a confluence from another indicator that yes, market is going to continue the momentum, then only we'll make the entries. Okay, so as you can see here, when the market started approaching this level, so as I told you yesterday also, that there's no pinpoint space or pinpoint location in the market because of different participants. So this exact location could be here, or this could be an entire range of 20-30 points. Yeah, so when market reached here, we saw 2 negative candles happening here, and maybe we could have taken entry below this candle, or maybe we could have waited for a doji or an inverted hammer, whatever pattern or confirmation we follow for trade. And we can see there was a clear cut breakdown of 135 points from here. Okay, 120 points. Right, so now how we will be playing tomorrow? Okay, so as we know, when if there's a support and if that supports break, that support becomes resistance. So for now onwards, this area will act as a resistance. We would not take any long entries unless or until this area, along with a zone of 30, 40, 20 points, this much is taken down by the market. Okay, so we will only make any long entry after we see a breakout and retest of this level. As for now, this level is not important. We can delete it and we can extend this zone till here. Okay, and since this is the resistance, now we can change the color to red. Similarly, we can draw another level here, which will be the buying area, because from here the market took support and it showed a quick recovery. So let's quickly draw a level over here. Always remember to draw the level with a range of 20, 30, 40, 50 points. Because you don't know the exact number. It's a range always. Let me extend it to the right so that we can have it going forward. All right, and since this is the support, we will make it green. And then another stop loss area will draw 20, 30, 40, 50 points below this. So now, so how we will be trading tomorrow? So again, we have one range. If market opens somewhere here, and if we see the market is not able to sustain this level, then the market can approach this support. So we have to short the market if we see it here. Okay, and if we see a gap down over here, and then we have to wait for a retracement to test this level again, because this will be a breakdown of this level, and then we can enter into puts. Yeah, so always remember one thing, we have to choose one direction. The direction means, suppose we are seeing the market is falling, so we know the market is falling, we have to sell the market from every bonds. I mean every level of interest that is the resistance. Okay, because we know market can reach the resistance and give us the continuation of the breakdown or downside momentum. ठीक है, तो वैसे ही if here if we see the market here, so we know the market is in downtrend, तो इधर से अपन short ही करेंगे. We would not do long unless and until we see the breakout of this level. अगर ये level टूटता है, ऊपर sustain करता है, then we will take a long position for the target of this level. Okay, so I hope you find this video informative. There is not much to explain, but yeah, that's it. This will be the important zone for tomorrow. Mark this on your chart and trade accordingly. See, market is very easy. You have to just keep your mind focused and look at the chart instead of seeing Telegram and watching television for tips. ठीक है, तो इतना भी कुछ मुश्किल नहीं है. यहाँ पे जैसा कि आप देख रहे हैं, वी कैप्चर्ड 135 पॉइंट्स. तो 135 पॉइंट्स नहीं, बट आप 75 पॉइंट 80 पॉइंट आप इंडेक्स पे कैप्चर करेंगे. और हाँ, प्रीमियम पे वो जो है उसका हाफ अगर 0.5 रहता है, तो उसका हाफ आप 30 से 40 पॉइंट आसानी से निकाल सकते हैं. तो यही है. देखते हैं कल बाजार किधर खुलता है. अगर ये ऊपर खुलेगा इधर कहीं पे और इसके ऊपर अगर सस्टेन नहीं करता है, तो ऑब्वियसली वी विल शॉर्ट द मार्केट. एंड इफ द मार्केट ओपन्स अराउंड द सपोर्ट एरिया, okay, if the market opens around the support area, we will not go long. We will try to short the market from the high, because अभी क्या है, अभी मार्केट ऊपर जा रहा है, ऊपर से नीचे आ रहा है. सपोज इफ यू बाई कॉल्स हियर, और वी डोंट नो इफ दिस लेवल इज गोइंग टू बी टेस्टेड और नॉट, बट वी नो कि बाजार अगर ऊपर जाता है तो इट विल कम डाउन, बिकॉज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द मार्केट इज बेरिश. Yeah, it has turned bearish yesterday, or today you can say it has turned bearish, completely bearish. So unless and until market is below this level or this level, market is bearish. Market bullish इसके ऊपर ही होगा, इसके ऊपर ही market bullish होगा. Maybe market can test this ceasefire वाला gap, okay, maybe next expiry में, but let's not anticipate this. Let's focus on our chart और ऐसे ही देखते हैं. कल देखते हैं मार्केट कैसे काम करता है. आप इन लेवल को मार्क कर लीजिए और खुद से ट्रेड कीजिए, rather than depending on any call or channel or something. So the only purpose for this channel is to make you independent, to make you think and make you सेल्फ डिपेंडेंट, ताकि आप खुद से ट्रेड ले सके. आने वाले समय में आप सीख सके अपनी गलतियों से, और आपको ये भी समझ में आए कि आपने ये ट्रेड लिया तो क्यों लिया, और आप इस ट्रेड को अगर होल्ड करते हैं तो कहाँ तक होल्ड करते हैं. तो आज का भी ट्रेड अगर आप देखिएगा तो सिर्फ एक ट्रेड ही बना था यहाँ से, बिकॉज वी डिड नॉट नो कि यहाँ पे सपोर्ट है. फ्यूचर में क्या है, डैट वी डोंट नो. यहाँ से बाइंग आ गई, 4 रुपये का प्रीमियम 135 हो गया, है ना. बट इन सारी चीज़ों पे ध्यान नहीं देना. ये कभी कभी होता है, ये ऑपरेटर्स का गेम है, हमें इस पे ध्यान नहीं देना है. वी हैव टू फोकस ओनली टू गेट 75 to 80-90 पॉइंट्स ऑन द इंडेक्स. तो इससे अपना 30 से 40 पॉइंट का कैप्चर होगा प्रीमियम पे. ठीक है, आप 30 से 40 पॉइंट ही जोड़ते जाएंगे, तो वो एक दिन यू विल सी द रिजल्ट कि हाँ देखिए आपको ट्रेडिंग से एक फ्रूटफुल रिटर्न मिल रहा है. तो इफ़ यू सी हियर ऑल्सो, नो, वी ओनली हैड अ स्टॉप लॉस ऑफ 51 point, that is 25 points on this thing premium, and the target was, if you take 1:2, 1:2 is there, but 75 points. या तो इसको हम छोटा कर सकते थे। मे बी अगर आपको यहाँ पे नहीं लेना था तो आप ये डोजी पे लेते, इस डोजी पे नहीं लेते तो शूटिंग स्टार पे लेते, शूटिंग स्टार पे नहीं लेते तो यहाँ पे लेते, बट आपका अल्टीमेट स्टॉप लॉस जो है वो यही होता। अभी भी सारे सेलर्स एक्टिव है मार्केट में, जब तक इसके ऊपर बाजार नहीं निकलता हम सेल ही करेंगे। तो उम्मीद करता हूँ आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। अगर आपके मन में कोई सवाल है तो प्लीज़ पुट दैट क्वेश्चन इन द कॉमेंट बिलो, आई विल ट्राई टू आंसर इट। एंड या, like the video, subscribe the channel, and trade safely, trade independently. Thank you.